Hello everyone, hope you are doing good. This is Kalpak from Autobots channel Kolkata. So today I'll be unboxing you my latest camera that I purchased for my channel. This is the Sony ZV-E10. For some time I was looking for a good vlogging camera. Earlier I used to record with the iPhone and I also have Vivo X80 Pro, but those has become 2 years old and I thought get a dedicated vlogging camera for the same. So I did some research and I found that a lot of creators have said a lot of good things about it and many also use this camera. So I thought of go ahead and purchasing with it. I have received it today from Amazon. It costed me 62,000. Now I have also ordered few accessories that will be coming in few days and I'll also be showing you what accessories I have bought. Now I'll just going to do a quick unboxing. Later on, I'll do a complete review after using the product for some time. The box packaging is quite good. In fact, this time Amazon has used a new way to make sure that you receive a genuine product. I made a short video on the same on the channel. You can also check it out if you want to. I'm just going to go ahead and open the box. It is tightly sealed from a lot of sides, so taking me some time to open it. So finally I am able to open it, and this is the thing that is came. So this is the Sony ZV-E10 that I have got. It is very well neatly packaged. I'll just remove the plastic cover. So this is the main camera unit. I'll keep it side, and we also get a bag from the Sony to carry it around. The reason I decided to purchase is because I was looking for a lightweight camera that I can carry on and move around. I have a DSLR, but that is very heavy. I have multiple lenses on it. Carrying it on day-to-day basis, it's a tedious task because it is very heavy and it is also quite old. So the sensor and everything that has become very old. It also does not support any 4K videos, which I do regularly record in my channel. So this is a Sony branded camera bag. It is small, but since the camera is also small, I think it will be able to carry all the camera and other things that is come. It also has a handle and a strap. So nice. It is always good when the brands give you carry bags along with your products. So for the timing, I'm just going to keep it aside. This is the main camera unit. So it comes with standard 2+ additional 1-year warranty on registration. So I'll be doing it. It also says that it includes a 64 GB memory card inside. As you can see, it is tightly sealed. These are the images, and it also comes with the stock 16 to 50 millimeter stock lens. I have not purchased any lens additionally. The date of manufacturing is July 2024, which is very good. MRP is almost 70,000, but I got it for 61.5 thousand, and it is made in Thailand. Not a made in India product, so it got me a little disappointed. I do love when products are made in India. Let's open the seal and I'll show you what we get inside. So here I am going to quickly open the seal. So on opening the box, I can see that the 64 GB memory card is attached here. I'm quickly going to remove it. So this is also Sony branded high-speed 64 GB SD card. This is not a micro SD card. So this is the card. This is 64 GB with a good read and write speed. So I'll just put it here. Let's see what else we get in the box. So we get a warranty card, sticker for the registration. This is a product bundle and manuals, some booklets, and here is the main thing. This is the battery. It is tucked inside a non-static cover. So here the battery for the camera. Here is a USB cable to charge it and connect with your computer for data transfer. Here is a power cable to charge the battery. Here I think this is the adapter. Yes, it is. So it can be charged by USB also. Okay, so this is, yep. So you get a dedicated wind cover also for the microphone, which is good. And this is the camera strap, and this is the main body of the camera, which is very light. I believe this is the weight of one of my lenses, which I have for my DSLR. Kit lens is already attached to it. Camera feels very nice. I'm going to quickly switch it on and I'm going to show you. Just let me put all these things aside. So before I switch on the camera and show you how the interface look, here is the complete things that you get inside the box. You get a product manual from Sony where you will find their different products. Then you have the charger for the battery. You have the battery itself. You have a power plug to charge the battery. You get a 64 GB high-speed SD card inside the box. You have some product manuals and warranty guides. You have the main body of the camera, which is your mirrorless SLR camera. You have a dedicated wind cover for your microphone, which you can attach in the camera. You have a USB-C to USB-A data cable for data syncing. You have a camera strap. You have your warranty card and 2+1 year warranty extending guidelines. So here is everything that you get inside the Sony ZV-E10 vlogging camera box pack. Okay, one additional thing which was also there in the box pack was this carry case. I forgot to put it here. So this is another Sony branded carry case. So now that is everything that you get inside the box pack of Sony ZV-E10 vlogging camera with the stock 16 to 50mm lens. Okay, now I have kept everything apart from the main essentials things. We have the camera body, we have the kit lens mounted on it. We have the 64 GB SD card, battery and the windshield. So first let me insert the battery. It is very easy mechanism to put it inside. So here is where it goes. So like this, and it safely locks inside and you can just close it. So if I bring it closer to the camera, here is a mechanism to lock it and open it. If you press the open, it opens immediately and you can easily pull the battery like this. And it comes out very easily. So there is a very good and easy mechanism for everyone. You don't have to fidget it. My DSLR mechanism is a little tight and here is the kit lens. So it is 16 to 50mm kit lens. Aperture is 3.5 to 5.6. You can open the kit lens by pressing this button. Here you have some controls and here is focus control. This is the lens. You can just pull it like this or you can have it like this. So this is an E-mount camera, so it supports all the E-mount lenses. You can easily pull out the lens like this. It will come it off. And if you want to put it here, we just have to align it with the E-mount like this and it shuts with a nice click. Let me also put the memory card inside. So this is the slot where your memory card goes in. It is locked. It also goes with click sound. Now it had went in, and this is the mic section where the wind blast goes. So this is the body. This is a cold shoe mount. You can mount microphones, flashes, whether you want. This things comes out and you can hold it like this. So if you're doing vlogging, so you can see yourself while in the camera while recording. This goes 180 like this, so which is quite nice. When you are not using it, you can just pull it inside. So let me just put it like this, and above you have the on off button. Then these are other buttons, like you can change the camera mode. I think this is for the focus, defocus. This is for the zoom in and out and other functions. So I'll have to explore it. So currently the camera is off. This is very lightweight and it is very easy to carry around. The grip is not that much. I have ordered an additional accessory which is a metal cage, which also has a good grip to hold the camera. All the buttons functions are given here, and what I have seen from the other review videos that it is very easy to control, which I'll have to explore. We have the ZV-E10 for the brand here. It can record 4K, the 4K is written here. You have a Sony logo written here, other things. So this is the point where you can mount this camera in your tripod. And this is how it looks from the front. It looks very good. Sony products are very well made, and this is a mirrorless camera which does not have a mirror. So that is why the weight is so light. And it has a large sensor, I believe 1-inch sensor it has. This is where your straps will go. So now I am going to charge the camera. So now I have fully charged the camera. Now I am going to do the first boot up. Just going to swivel the screen so that I can see it. and we have the power button over here. So I'm just going to switch it on, and here it is the first boot. This camera also has a proprietary Sony Imaging Edge app which you can download. I have already downloaded it. I will show you how the application works separately. For the time being, I'm just going to skip it. So the screen is not totally touch screen. The main controls are over here, with which I'll have to monitor it. I'm just going to take the lens guard and just take a quick snapshot. So the shutter speed is very fast. I'm just going to do it one more time. So here I am focusing on the subject. So I'm just going to focus on the subject. Shutter speed is very nice. With this button, I can change it to video, photo, and slow motion and other modes. And this is the shutter button for the photographs, and this I can use for the videos. And this is the focus, defocus, and other controls are all there. And with this, I can see the pictures. So there are 3 pictures that I have taken. The battery is full. The screen is not touchscreen. It would be nice at this price range if the screen would have been touchscreen, but the controls are fairly easy, which I can use. So I'm going to do a complete review on the camera after using it for some time. For the timing, I'm just going to switch it off, and I'll going to tell you guys how the quality of the image and the videos and how is the performance of the camera. So be sure to follow our channel. And before I go, I just want to show you how the wind protector gets on the shoe mount. So here I have the wind protector. It just fits very easily. It just slides in the cold shoe mount, and this is how it looks when it is on. Very end, and if you want to remove it, you can just do this and it easily get removed. So very nice. So that was all about the unboxing of Sony Alpha EV10 vlogging camera. I also have purchased few accessories which I'll make a separate video of. So be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to share it in your social community. See you soon in our next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.